Diesel heater. Diesel heater. Well, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is the night the diesel heater gets its first real world test. I'm going to be the guinea pig. It's about 3 degrees Celsius outside. It's supposed to go down to -7. So I figured this would be a good opportunity to give it a try. We got hooked up to the tent trailer, and it's going to be providing heat all night long, hopefully. Plan is that I'm going to set the internal temperature to 14 degrees Celsius, get it started up at 9 p.m., let it run for an hour, then come in and go to bed. So let's get her configured. So we're plugged in. It says it's a little bit warmer inside the trailer. It's 4 degrees Celsius. That's probably the sun helping that out. See what the controller has to say. Controller says 8 degrees Celsius. Yeah, I don't know about that. I just plugged it in, so it might be a little warmer. I know. Bed's all ready. What I also did is I filled the fuel tank up to 9 liters. So I want to have a very exact amount for how much fuel it's going to consume during this test. And I am going to zero out the power that has been used by the unit. And we'll see how much power it uses during this test as well. So it's 2 degrees Celsius. We're a couple of minutes away from the heater turning on. Nine o'clock. It's about -1 outside. Glow plugs are starting up. Come back and check in at 10 o'clock when it's bedtime. So here we are. It's 10:15. Temperature is 13 degrees Celsius inside. I've set it for 14, so hopefully it makes it to that. I think it's still going full bore, but once it hits 14, it should calm down a little bit. All right, good. Wake up in the middle of the night. Oh, there we go. We just hit 14. Wake up in the middle of the night and check on it then. Well, it's 1:30 in the morning. It's still kicking along at 14 degrees Celsius in here. Pretty comfortable. -6 degrees Celsius outside. So far, I'd say this is a pretty good success. So it's 6 in the morning. It's -8 outside. And it's sitting at 12 degrees in here. It's not too bad. I think I'm going to crank up the temperature a little bit and see if I can get it a little warmer than this. Well, it's 7:45 in the morning. The sun is out, and that helps the old cause considerably. But we're up to 18 degrees in here. It's actually quite comfortable. -4 outside right now. So I would say overall this has been a pretty good success. I'm going to go and shut this guy down and then check to see how we did fuel consumption and how much battery draw it did over the, let me think here. It's 8 o'clock, turned it on at 9 o'clock, so 11 hours. We'll see how we did. We had it running for 11 hours. There's up around 9 liters. And we're looking at about 5.5 right now. Down here, 412 watt hours.